Hello everybody, this is my follow-up on my Hyundai Tucson. This is the aircon issue that I talked about last video. So this video is regarding my aircon sensor. So you can see the aircon sensor, sometimes we have to twist around because this previous service they say they reprogram my thermostat and then do some cleaning on the sensor. So after 3 weeks of using it, seems that the issue is better, but it's still on and off. They will have this problem again. I need to twist the aircon knob here, below here the temperature knob. I'm on the way to have my aircon sensor to be fixed. And this is not a common issue, but on and off we have one or two, so it's not major. So I'm now on the way sending the car to be changed, the service part to be changed. So I will change it and then use it for I think half a day. Then on the evening time I will update you guys again, because I'll be driving this car during hot weather. So as you know, Malaysia have very hot weather, but these few days seem to be raining quite a lot. So let's see how the new sensor work out. So hopefully they don't have any problem after the change. Alright, after driving for a full day, now it's evening time already. The aircon is functioning okay, no problem was found. Okay lah, after repair everything is okay. So hopefully nothing happened to this car again, hopefully. But it's a small minor thing, so don't worry, be happy to own a Hyundai car. Service is good. So other than that, I think there's no much issue. Temporary touch shoot. Okay, so my video until here only. Thank you for viewing. I'm SM Wang. Bye bye.